Cold. It is so cold. I can never get used to the chilling winds here. I have been walking for weeks through this endless forest. There are places here that has eluded the touch of time. What once resembled any other old forest now looks to me like a massive organism designed solely to kill. And anybody would have felt the same if they made it this far, like I have. And that damned lizard, it nearly had me. I always made sure to tread very carefully. I made sure my footsteps were silent and avoided dense foliage. But from above it came crawling, a shotgun dragon of all things. I knew what it was the moment I saw that red, enormous gun barrel. And so I ran away. And I ran fast. I knew shaking it off would be futile, as the blast from its barrel could reach me from afar, let alone its bullets. I ran as far as I could, jumped off a ledge and crossed a river. The water, it was freezing cold, but I would rather be cold than dead. The couple of its bone bullets hit me in the chest. I managed to take them out, and thank the gods the wounds were shallow. So I bandaged myself as best I could. I endured the pain and kept on walking. The progress of my journey has been slow today, and now night is about to fall. It is time to set up camp. I took necessary precautions in case that dragon were to find me. And now as I sit here at my camp, with my hands up against my campfire, I still cannot feel its warmth. This is all because of that damn dragon. I heard my sister call out to me, and I knew it was her the moment I heard it. There was no mistaking it. I would have looked for her if I came here several years ago. But she's dead now. I cannot make sense of any of this. At least now the voices have stopped. I'm tired. Wait. What is that? I can barely make it out, but are those lights?